Want to add a layer to your video in Adobe Premiere Rush? I'll show you how to do it in no time. First, open your project and drag the video or image you want to use as a layer into the timeline. Place it on a new track above your main video track. Next, adjust the layer's position and opacity to blend it seamlessly with your background or main video. Layers are great for picture-in-picture effects or adding overlays like logos or text. Let me know in the comments if you are using layers in your video. Now you have got layers in your video. Experiment with blending modes and opacity to make your content pop. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.